talked to so many photographers who are completely freaked out as soon as you mention lighting portraits on location. They hear that and they're like, oh, that's too complex and I'm not sure about it and I haven't had good results with it. I think I know why that you're having a problem with it, and I want to solve that problem for you. So I did an entire class based on location lighting. And we're going to go on location. We're shooting indoors, we're shooting outdoors, we're shooting in direct light, we're shooting with window light, we're shooting all these different things. We're mixing the strobe and the ambient. But when you see how easy this is, it's going to change the way you think about taking lights on location. It is so much easier than you think it is. So should you be using TTL or should you be shooting in manual? What are your camera settings? What ISO should you be at? What's the right f-stop? If these things are questions that you have, we're going to clear all of that up in this class. I'm going to give you the actual settings to use. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this, and you're going to see it all from scratch. We went on location, and you're going to see the whole thing from beginning to end, and it's going to change the way you think about location portraits forever. So come and check out my brand new class on location lighting techniques exclusively at KelbyOne.